Detailing with the one guard all the way open is very critical to fading. Moving on to the hairline, we're starting off in the middle and working our way to the right side. Also, when we start lining up his C-cup, we're going to start off at the bottom arch and work our way to the top arch, meeting them at the middle. Now we're connecting the left side to the right, slowly but surely making sure the hair feeds into the clipper. Now we're moving on to the Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, and we're going to make them as crispy as possible.